Okay, this is a quick video on how to verify that your house scores are going to show up on the report card correctly. You're going to go to Grading, Grades, and usually this will take you right to this screen, which shows you your traditional grades and absences, missing assignments, etc. You're going to click here and you're going to go to Standards. This is going to show all of the standards that are assigned to your class. You may have a little arrow here because you may have many standards assigned to your class, so you may have to click down to keep seeing all of them. You'll see here that I have entered scores for the AT.0, which is where I'm supposed to enter them, and they have rolled up, which means this little arrow here means they've rolled up. So if they are under the AT where there's no number, that means they are rolled up correctly and they will show up on the report card. If they're only showing up here, but they're not showing up here, so they're showing up at the one with a number. Let's see if I can make this bigger. If they're showing up at the one with a number, but they're not showing up at this one without a number, then that means you just have to recalculate your standards grades. So click here, go to Recalculate Final Grades, and you're just going to recalculate your standards grades. If you want to do this for all your classes at the same time, if you click here, Select Classes, then you'll have a little tab here that says Select All Classes. Select that, and then you're just going to click Recalculate. Once you do that, it may take a little bit, but it should roll up so that your numbers here end up showing up here. This number is going to be an average of anything that you've scored down here. If it still doesn't work for you, you can come see me and I can help you with this, or you can talk to Vitaly, or Andrew could probably help you as well. Thank you so much.